video, it talked about form. What did it say a form was? Yes. Well, it's not a circle, okay? What a form does, if you remember from shape, let's just use a circle. A circle has height and width, 2 dimensions, because it's flat. So it's 2D. So a form adds another dimension. Have you ever heard of like a 3D movie? Okay? What a form is, it's 3D. Okay? Your teacher may use the term 3D shape. There's technically no such thing as a 3D shape because shapes are flat. But a form is 3-dimensional. Let's look at this. You're talking about a circle. Here's a circle. And is this a circle? No, it's not a cylinder. What's the difference between the two? Hold on. Hands. She's got her hand raised. Yes, ma'am.
That one's flat and that one's fat.
This one's fat, yeah. And what you're talking about, the fat part, this has height, just like I was talking about, this has height and width, just 2, so it's flat. This one's not flat, it's fat. It has height, width, and length or depth. Okay, you can call them either one. Okay, so it adds the 3rd dimension. Does anybody know what this one's called?
A soccer ball?
Hands. Yes, ma'am. A sphere. Yeah, this is called a sphere. Let's look at some more.
I know what a sphere is.
What's this one called?
Cylinder.
Yeah.
A cone.
A cone, yeah. Easy way to remember a cone is if you turn it this way, like an ice cream cone. Okay? Let's look at this one here. You'll know this one. Now, it's not a square. A cube. Okay? And think about a cube. It's like a dice that you roll. Okay? Oh, an ice cube. Yeah, that's a good one. Let's look at this one here. Okay, you've been wanting to say this forever. What's this one? A cylinder. Yeah, this is a cylinder. And let me show you something common that's a cylinder. Yeah, cans are cylinders. Yeah, a can's a cylinder. Okay, let's look at another one. Okay, what's this one here? Now, it's not a triangle because it's a form. Think about the Egyptians. Yeah.
It's like a pyramid.
A pyramid, yeah. This is called a pyramid, okay? And they built pyramids in Egypt. Okay? And let's look at oddball here. And you won't know this one, but I'll tell it to you. Well, it's close to a rectangle. Rectangle's the shape. This is called a rectangular prism because it's a 3-dimensional rectangle. Okay? Now, here's the last thing I'm going to ask you and see if you can get this one. Is this a form?
No. Yes.
Yes. It fits our definition. It's 3D. It has height, width, and depth. Okay? But remember what the video said. This is an organic form. So anything from nature that's 3-dimensional is considered a form. Those pumpkins are forms. Us people, we have height, width, and depth. So we're forms. So this is called an organic form. Okay? What we're going to be doing today is you're going to get a little piece of modeling clay, and you'll get to keep the modeling clay. You'll get to keep the modeling clay, and we're going to make some of these forms, both the geometric and the organic. Okay? Any questions?